When you set up your product on Amazon, what you may not be aware of is that Amazon makes that product available for anybody else to sell as well. So even though you have private labeled your product and you are the owner of your product, when you go through the process of setting up your Amazon Seller Central area of listing a new product, Amazon asks you, do you want to sell a brand new product or an existing product? So Amazon asks you that. And what hijacking means is that somebody has elected to also sell your product. Okay, so they've seen your product, seen that you're making lots and lots of sales of your product, and they've elected to sell your product too. That's in most cases what most people think of as a listing hijack. And then what happens is you then start competing for the buy box with somebody else. And what normally happens is somebody else will simply undercut you on price, make a lot of sales off your listing, not fulfill those orders, and then do a runner with the money from Amazon. All right, that's what typically happens in a listing hijack. So it's not bad for you per se, except for you missed out on a load of sales from legitimate customers that some other bastard has taken from you and then ripped off those customers by not fulfilling the product. Okay, that's the bad side. So that's a hijack, number one. Number two hijack is where somebody goes, wow, what a bloody brilliant product this is. Rainbow light, I love it. I'm just gonna start selling that too. So they go through the same process. They go to Seller Central, and instead of selling your product, they elect to sell a new product. And all they do is they take all your images, they take everything that you've written, they take all this great information that you've done, and they set up a listing that's exactly the same of yours. So they have basically copied your listing and hijacked your listing, and then they use black hat SEO to make their product rank really quickly. And you can do that, but it's not sustainable. But they're not interested in sustainability. They're interested in stealing business from you, taking people's money, and then not fulfilling the product. That's what a hijacking is. So that's the two different sorts of listing hijack. One where they sell your product, and another where they rip off your product and start selling it themselves. That's the two different sorts of listing hijacks. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.